Hi,
Hello.
this is Tom. I'm with the Medicare department at the Health Care Center. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking. Well, we are here to compare your secondary health insurance options to see if you might qualify for something more beneficial. And the best part is there is no cost or obligation on your part for the discounted quote. So is your Medicare Part A and Part B active right now?
Yes.
Great. Do you have any military or state-funded health insurance plan like TRICARE or CHAMP VA?
No.
Great. Now, you sound like a pretty sensible person to me, and I believe you make your own health insurance decisions, right?
Yes.
Great. Well, I'm kind of new here, and I'm going to transfer your call to my senior supervisor, who's going to assist you further, okay?
Okay.
Hi, thank you very much for holding the line. My name is Jacob. I'm the verification officer. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm very good, sir. Thank you very much for asking. As my associate mentioned, sir, that this call is regarding the Medicare. We are providing you more options to see if you can qualify some extra benefits. I do believe you have the Medicare Part A and B active, correct?
Yes.
That's fine. Let me ask you, sir, a question regarding the Medicare. When you visit to the family doctor or the specialist, do you pay co-payments from your own pocket?
Yes.
So that's why we're calling. We can help you to reduce your co-pays. And by the way, do you have any prescription as well that cost you?
Yes.
We can also help you to reduce your prescription charges. May I ask how old are you?
I'm 79.
79, alright, that's right. So, as you know, this is open enrollment time period. So what we can do for you, we can provide you extra help like dental, vision, and hearing program. You don't need to pay any more co-pays, prescription charges, and the hospital bills. You can get all these benefits without any cost. Sounds good to you?
Yes.
Fine. So do you make your own decision regarding your Medicare?
Well, I will on November 1st when I'll be able to get rid of the power of attorney my social worker has over me. I had a little legal problem earlier this year where I drank a bottle of Jim Beam and then I went to a biker bar in Detroit and I urinated all over the motorcycles and then I had a knife fight with the Hells Angels and the police arrested me but not the Hells Angels. And luckily I have a very good attorney, Saul Goodman, and he managed to find a psychiatrist. Hello? Hello?